What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Time to carry on with the S25 Ultra content. We've still got a bunch of cases still to get through, and apparently there's more on the way right now too. So this right here is Nillkin's Cam Prop IceBlade Prop case, imported bio-based PC, camera lens holder. I've already gone ahead and opened it up so I didn't have to on camera. But reliable protection, all-around protection, superior sensor touch, open mold with the original device. Go ahead and just pop it open. As you can see, there is the case, and nothing else left in there. And then coexist with the green nature starting from corn. If you want to take a look at that, please feel free. Let's get that up out the way, and let's go ahead and take it out the little bag. So it's a clear case. They've sent it out in green. It has got a protector over it, and doesn't look like there's one inside, but there's one over the top. Big massive camera housing, which I believe flips open. Yeah, that way. So you can stand it up and watch your content. So there's that. Got the Nillkin branding right here. MagSafe ring in the middle. This little bump in the corner. All your cutouts, Nillkin branding on the top, nice anodized aluminium buttons. But let's go ahead and see how we get this off. Let's see if it's easy or not. Okay, and there we go. And let's go ahead and grab my S25 Ultra in the titanium ice blue. And let's pop it into the case. There we go, that's what it's going to look like in the IceBlade prop case. I mean, that camera housing is just something else. The protection on that camera housing, and of course we have the MagSafe on the back. But it's like a nice green case, and obviously with the titanium ice blue, it's blending really nice together. Really does look good. Yeah, that really does look good. But as I say, you can pop this open and you can stand it in all kinds of different orientations and watch your content, depending on how low you want to go with it. Obviously you can't do it the other way because you won't be able to enter portrait mode, because obviously it's had to sit that way. But that's in there, it's not going to move anywhere. But of course you can go ahead and place it down like so and not have to worry about it. And again, because of that camera housing, I mean, they are recessed into there big time. So let's just double check the camera. No, there's no interference obviously with that lens. So if we went for the wide angle, now if we zoom in to 2 times, no, 3, no, there's no effect in the camera because of the camera housing. The only thing I think it will affect is MagSafe battery, so we'll come to that in a sec. Nice clicky buttons. It's quite nice. Loads of protection on there. I've got a screen protector on my phone, and obviously this is nice and protected because of that lip. And you can go ahead and place it down like so. So let's bring in the scale. Let's see, it comes out pretty decent, so that's quite nice. And let's weigh it on its own. It's 51 grams on its own, so it is. It doesn't feel quite weighty, but it obviously is compared to some we've checked out recently. So 280 grams with the phone in it. So yeah. Now this is where the problem is going to lie, because if you have a MagSafe battery pack just similar to this one, and it's not going to go on. I mean, you can feel it wanting to grip it. So unfortunately, it's just not going to fit. I mean, it is on there a little bit, but I mean, the gap in between is just insanity. There's no way you're going to do that. So that is a no-go for MagSafe battery packs. I don't know whether you can get a circular one, but either way. But then if we bring in the Nomad base stand, so now this technically should work. Yeah, and I mean, it just took it out of my hand. It's charging. And if we go ahead, yeah, that's super strong. I knew it was going to be. As soon as it went to rip it out of my hand, I was like, yeah, this is going to be a good one. So the MagSafe ring is a go. Works perfectly. Buttons are nice. The protection is nice. The protection on the bottom, there's a cutout right there to get your S Pen out. But everything else is recessed. You got Nillkin branding just on this part of the case right here, with it being a nice clear case. and then nice grippy texture on this side with the lanyard loop. Cutouts on the top for your mic. Nillkin branding on the side right here, another grippy texture on this side, so you don't need to worry about your phone. The grip is in the perfect place of where you grip your phone. But let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. Is this something you would consider going for? Huge thank you to Nillkin for sending this over. This of course is the IceBlade prop case, but it's a nice clear case in the green. Goes well with the titanium ice blue. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Huge thank you to you guys for watching. I'll leave links in the description to where you can pick this one up, and we have another video with Nillkin coming soon on the Carbo prop case. So you got IceBlade prop and Carbo prop. So Carbo prop will be coming up soon. Get ready for that one. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. What case are you rocking right now, and what else would you like to see on the channel? But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, if you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn the notifications on so you don't miss future uploads. There's a full S25 Ultra playlist. I'll see you all in the next one.